Today I made the kids spaghetti. I thought I'd do something a little fun this evening. I had some pizza crusts in the fridge, and I thought I would make spaghetti muffin cups. So I've got some Italian seasonings, garlic, and some salted butter here. Instead of greasing our pan, I figured I'd just brush these little pizza crusts. Because we're always stuffing spaghetti on the cheesy garlic toast and stuff like that. Thought these would be a pretty good handheld item. Something a lot funner than spaghetti, we all make it, right? I'd say the only difference between mine and anybody else's is I use a pound of Italian sausage and a pound of burger. I bet these are going to be good. I'm going to go ahead and fill all these and we'll make our stuffing. I'm most likely getting ready to cause an Italian person somewhere to pass out. I'm sorry for this. I would have chopped this spaghetti up. All right, let me get us some sauce. Okay, we've got our sauce and our spaghetti. I'm going to hit that with about a half a cup of shredded Parmesan. And get her stirred up. Okay, get our little cups filled. I think these are going to be pretty awesome, especially for the kids. They like to wear the spaghetti. This may help them out a little. I'm gonna go ahead and fill all these. Okay, I got a 5-cheese Italian blend here. I'm sure whatever you got will work just fine. I was gonna put a little bit of this on top of each one. And then take the leftover garlic butter we made for the crust and sprinkle on top of it. Just a little more. We'll take our leftover seasoned butter we had there, sprinkle it on top. No sense wasting it. All right, I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 350 and we'll see how they turn out. I think they're gonna be pretty awesome. Okay, our little spaghetti cups turned out really good looking. So, let's see what happened. Oh yeah. So, we'll try spaghetti cup versus the old school garlic bread spaghetti sandwich. You know, the sleeplessness, it's messed up my thinking, motor skills, everything. But I think my creativity's still on point. I could probably eat that whole plate of those. I would like the bottoms to be a little browner, but that seasoned butter, stuff on that crust, that spaghetti, that extra Parmesan cheese on top, that's top notch. Versus my go-to for the last 100 years. You gals know how us country boys like our spaghetti sandwiches. I'm still kind of leaning toward the crunchiness of the toast, but I think if this was a little browner, that'd be a winner. I bet kids would love it.